Folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're going to take up the air tractor today. We're going to go off into the north. We're here at Lamb Road. And, whoa, boy, she went right up, didn't she? Really did not need those landing flaps or takeoff flaps. Haven't flown this plane in a little while. I'm running a Spectrum 4S 2200 in it right now. See if I can do me a nice landing here.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Whoa. Maybe not. It lined up perfect. I just, well, let's try this again. Think I could have gone without the landing flaps. Just the takeoff flaps have been fine. So let's get her pulled around here. Oh, take the motor, turn the motor off. Got some brush around the prop there. There we go. Make sure nobody coming behind me. I am on a public road right now. So there we go. Nice scale takeoff. Now, a lot of people like to horse this plane around, and personally, I don't like to do that with this plane. I think this is a scale plane. It needs to be flown that way, and it very much is a scale plane. It really is. All right, I'm out of the power. Maybe an 8th power. Since I'm doing a spot landing, I need to pay attention to my there we go. All right. Looks like my landing gear is kind of raked out on one side. Looks good against that sun though, don't it?
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Let me just show you that I'm not in safe. Can't do that in safe. Now, of course, I'm too high. Got takeoff flaps in this time. Oh, that's a good looking bird, isn't it? Well, that big old buttery wing, she'll just glide along so sweet and peaceful. And that yellow really looks good with that sun on it. That's for sure. That's for certain. All right, let's get her lined up here. Landing into the wind like I should be. Beautiful, beautiful.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
This little strip here is just made for this plane. And like I've always said, like I say before, and I'll say it again, when you haven't flown a plane, or if you haven't flown a plane in a while, all you want to do is just do landings and takeoffs, landings and takeoffs. That's the one skill that you need most of all. And I know that may seem kind of boring, but it's a lot of fun when you're the one doing it, I can tell you that. And those of you that are serious modelers will know that that feeling of those planes, when that plane touches down and you've got that perfect scale landing, well, it's very exhilarating. A little bit of rudder correction there. Getting my wings lined up for the runway. Getting her lined up. A little off, a little rudder correction. Slight flare at the end. There you go. All right, we got enough battery for one more. We're not pushing her very hard, so I usually run a much larger 4-cell in her, but I just got a 2200 4-cell smart.
1 minute.
But I'm not really pushing her very hard. Yes, I'm doing landings and takeoffs, but I'm not doing any high-speed passes or any kind of aerobatics or anything. I'm just on, most of my flying is after I take off, I'm maybe half throttled to less than that. I'm down to about an 8 throttle now. There we go. Well, there you go, folks. That is the e-flite air tractor. And yeah, I got one landing gear off to one side, but that's okay. It's an easy fix. Motor off. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. All right, folks. Thank you so much for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless y'all.